Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
I'm able to use the songs that I didn't make in this video because I am either friends with the musician or it's available through Creative Commons. You can't just take your favorite song and put it in a YouTube video, unless it's under Creative Commons and with proper credit. So don't go thinking that you can after hearing music that isn't my own in my video. The songs used in this video are linked in the description, as they always are.
You get what?
My headphones.
Yeah, your headphones I've got. We are just leaving the, whatever this place is called. Oh. Oh, where?
There's not only ice cream.
You get a hot pocket.
You can get a chicken chimichanga.
Yeah, that is interesting. I kind of want to see a chimichanga get sucked up. Alright, off we go into the glistering dry heat. Ugh. Okay, well, we don't have the key. So let's sit in the blistering hot heat until she gets here. I don't think it's that bad. Do you, or do you think it's bad?
I don't think it's too bad.
Yeah, I don't think so either. Okay, there's our car. We are about to go in the Arizona Historical Society. It is warm? It's warm.
And it's not even noon. I'm sweating.
It's not even 11.
I'm sweating. I have sweat beads coming off my forehead and I just got out of the car. The air conditioning.
At least it's not humid, right?
Feels humid.
Mommy almost killed herself at the bar. But check out this
Hey, we saw this
slot
at the
machine.
other museum.
If they had this in
That
Vegas, I would so play it, and I would so lose all my money. But that's neat.
Guess what?
What?
They stayed cool because how? Like who?
Through evaporating ice flow.
Yeah,
Like
but
who?
yeah, who first invented
What
it?
Disney thing do you remember?
From Carousel Progress.
Yeah, but who is the
Like-
inventor of this?
I don't know the inventor.
I don't know the
Who is
Uncle
it?
Orville.
What's that? Yeah. That's the Disney nod.
Disney history.
That's why they stayed here, because they used ice.
But that still doesn't
How did they make ice though back then?
That is a great question.
Yeah, Aaron, how did they make ice back then? There wasn't any freezers.
Lake Havasu is not marked on a map.
Just
From Aaron's guesstimation, he has to
Where
figure
is
out.
Lake Havasu?
Yeah, and don't say another word. Point to it.
I'm gonna have a guesstimation too, because I don't know exactly where it is.
Maybe like somewhere here.
You're very,
You're
very,
very
very
close.
close. It's right here.
Oh, I'm gonna guess.
Oh, I'm sorry. Was you gonna guess there?
Well, I know it's north of Parker, and it's on the Colorado River, and there's the Walpi Mountains. So I would guess right here.
Yeah, right about there.
It says Point.
Yeah, right about there. Sorry.
There's Oatman. We were in Oatman. Remember Oatman? With the donkeys that roamed the streets. And there's Kingman. And there's the Grand Canyon.
And where is?
And we were at the Painted Desert yesterday.
And there's Jerome.
There's Jerome and Cottonwood. And Flagstaff.
Cottonwood. I'll always remember
We
Cottonwood.
slept in Cottonwood. Why was Cottonwood so funny?
What? I don't remember.
Because there's no
That's the quality.
in this quality.
That was the quality and we stayed up in Cottonwood. Turn it one full rotation.
To
Maybe
start
that way.
what?
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Whoa.
What's it doing?
It's
Oh, wait.
releasing water.
I think that's lighting up. It is.
Keep rolling. Oh, there we go.
Oh, you're making all the lights turn on.
Farmers cut the earliest canals. It's showing how the water came to the rest of Arizona. That's very interesting.
Yeah, that's cool. So it come from Horseshoe Lake? Oh, look at that.
The dam building. Yeah, I remember this. Because that was from Parker Dam. I'm almost positive. You broke it.
No, it's just the...
I know you went right. It's more fun to think that he broke it.
I like this one. It looks like there's things inside. Humans.
Humans? There's copper. I think we're enjoying this museum more than I thought we would. No, we haven't even gotten to my area yet.
I'm just trying to make it more fun.
It is fun, isn't it? Yes. Keep reading. Keep walking.
Oh, you didn't? No. Well, Don, let me ask you something. Whose sign did you
You're walking over it.
You are of Japanese ancestry and living north of this line. Remain at home. Do not cross the line. Why?
Because they thought all Japanese were plotting against. I don't know why. Maybe because the top half of Arizona just didn't want detention caps. I'm not sure why it's separated.
Why? You're not saying why.
3 and 4 bedrooms. Free wall-to-wall carpeting. Veterans, still no down payment. It's actually a pretty cool museum.
Mhm.
Wow, look at this washer and dryer.
Okay, you can't say one thing then the other. That doesn't work.
Oh,
Ooh,
look,
this
it's
is
kind
cool.
of cool.
Oh, that is really cool. I love that stuff.
Look, you can barely put any clothes in there. It's so small.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Shut it. There was a, yeah, that was a sponge. You put it in water and it grew.
Drop a spill in water and watch it grow. Wow.
Just like your savings, you deposit money in the bank and you watch it grow. I remember getting a speech.
That's funny.
Yeah.
And there's that.
And you know what? I didn't
In
take it to Suffice.
1970.
Well, it was in the 80s.
In 1980. Women made 10,000, men make 17. I'm gonna be here for too long. I don't know.
Is there a video presentation? There's no video presentation of the Wallace and Lammo. Oh.
You can probably find it on YouTube.
Oh, I know I can. But there's Wallace's outfit, and there's Ladmo's. Man, were they really that big?
There's no picture of them?
Wow, that's weird.
Is that them? No. It's
Yeah, that's Wallace and Lammo. Wait, I think that, yeah, that's definitely Ladmo on the right. I guess that's Wallace and Lammo.
That says Say Good Morning with Alan Franklin.
Okay, well, that's definitely Ladmo.
In the 70s, the show changed titles against what viewers had called for years the Wallace and Ladmo show. When the title changed, Wallace changed hats to Ladmo.
I don't know who this is. Oh.
In 1989. Oh, wait, this is different though. They're on board radar field because the thing was close to them. I don't think it was a stealth bomber. I think it was an identified flying object.
Yes, that could be a stealth bomber if they couldn't identify it. Sponsored by Mutual UFO Network. I will be ever the skeptic. Oh, we're back at the beginning. At least Stefan likes the music. Did we already go in here? Oh yeah. We've seen it. Oh, except for a movie, but we can skip that movie. History makers. Michael J. Fox. I guess he was the first one because he's older, but still, just say you're Michael Fox. But he met a lot of cool people. There he is with Obama, but although it looks like it's a stand. No, there's enough of a shadow. That's actually an Ali. And the cast of Leave It to Beat? No, I don't know who that is. Maybe that's his family. I don't know who any of these people are. I don't know the history makers. Whoa. Don't make a little history maker. All food. What looks strange?
That's pretty. I like this selenite. Oh, notice. Look at silver.
Oh, yeah, I
It's
saw
like
that.
an animal.
Mm-hmm. This is Aaron's favorite part.
I can't believe how many rocks and stuff. What a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. There's petrified wood. Bacon, eggs, pancakes. It's all rocks.
Yeah, that is a pretty cool display. Especially the cake.
So cool. And the egg.
Mm-hmm. Oh, the Toyota is my hand.
Uh-huh. The egg over easy. You're doing time warp?
No.
You're doing regular?
Yeah.
See? Tracing our routes into Arizona. The train airplanes came in the 1870s. And the cars came in the 1900s, 1887 and 1948. Airplanes in 1920s. And now there's us, traveling by car. What do you think?
What do you mean?
Is that like us?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that, cool. And a Chevrolet. See the USA and your Chevrolet. And there's no seat belts. Come and drive this. Here. Drive the car. Feel like the steering wheels, that's crazy. Press the pedal. Can you drive? You think you could drive this?
No.
Why not? Hi, Daddy. How was the bathroom?
It was amazing. This is what happens when they take over the camera. Of course. Okay, we're on P1 on the corner of Washington and 3rd. We might have to go back to, well, actually I won't, because I got Shannon here to help me. But we're in downtown Phoenix. We're going to the Science Center. It's hot. Actually, it's not that bad, I don't think. We are in the Science Center, Arizona Science Center, more specifically. Thank you, ASTC. We got in here for free. And now we get to do fun sciencey stuff. At least we got video. But it's not the same though.
Is always one. So he's going to give you a clue to help you figure out this
There are different proteins, so you really isolate the DNA. We don't want any of the organelles, we don't want any of the proteins.
20,
that DNA.
a quarter of 20,
Okay, a fifth of 100.
5, and so it's 7.
Yeah, it's 7.
Rubbing alcohol. And we're just going to pour that into our DNA solution. And what that does is it helps bring the DNA.
real story. Could be correct in this one.
I know. I think it's a hurricane.
I think it is too. What do you think?
Let's try try that again.
Whirlpool.
Which of these words? That's it. It's time to play your eyes open. I'm going to show
This is kind of fun.
from a movie. Watch carefully and try to remember as many details as you can. The set, the characters, and
They're not in Chicago, they're still drinking.
There's so many pictures of Chicago. Isn't that weird?
And they're playing with Chicago.
Yeah, I know.
And Phoenix.
This is so weird.
They changed the color. It looks like
Oh,
they changed
hopefully.
the color as well.
To make
Yeah.
it more interesting.
So what was the question going to be?
I don't know. How many buildings did you see?
Oh god, hopefully it's not like that. Oh, okay.
slideshow just watched, except one. Click the one.
I don't think we saw, yeah, I don't think we saw that.
That's not the one.
What? Okay, it was one of those two, yeah.
You got it.
Hey, you hit the end.
Did we really?
Well, some things, oh, maybe not.
Thanks for playing that
Oh my
part.
gosh.
1 hour later.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to Hurricane Harbor if we're spending this long on this.
Okay, fine, I'll stop.
No, we should definitely play. We gotta see the end now.
We gotta.
A simple long string of letters. You can start to see that it contains the hidden words.
That's
Play,
funny.
set.
That hat.
I don't even understand what that is. Alright, you finally went through them all?
No.
How long do you think you were there, seriously?
At least 15 20
Yeah, I know. And it's still going. Yeah, that's insane.
Yeah, I think you're just meant to play. I think you're just meant to play one game and then have
Yeah,
someone
because you
else play
can't
the next
hog
game.
it, yeah, for that long. We're gonna find out, is Aaron wild or is he mild? Answer honestly. I'll show you the results when he's done.
You're almost a typical teen.
Uh-huh. But you're averaging a little towards a high risk taker. Do you wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, start over. Yeah, that's what I
I'm
figured.
not a typical adult. I'm a little kid.
Yeah.
I'm even lower than a teen.
Or you're a higher risk taker than a teen.
That means I'm a little kid.
Yes, you are.
Is yours gonna be the same as mine? Probably.
Yeah, it will be. Does this look like Aaron? Yeah, stay right there. Yeah, right there. That's creepy as heck. Okay, and now it's Aaron's turn. Okay, that's the average size of a grain of rice, a sesame seed, 12-point font. And he goes.
Actually, the same people that made BFDI also made something similar to this that also made it to a lot of different science museums.
Oh, really?
It got really popular.
Oh, that's cool.
I think that might have been what inspired this version. It's not the same version.
Right. That's cool.
This is why you need to eat this.
Okay.
Fish.
We
Fish
can
tacos.
Is it?
Yeah.
Put it on your side. Aaron, go on the other side and do it. Here, Aaron. Shannon, put yours. No, keep it down. That's neat. That was good. Wow, that's great.
Wait, do it again. 117. 94.
120 pounds.
120 what?
120 pounds normal. About 120 pounds normal.
Wait, stay, you have to stay still.
Did it hurt?
No, it's fine.
What does it feel like?
It's kind of hard to explain. Just feels like you're getting pushed up by a lot of little things, but it doesn't hurt. We're out in the parking lot for Salvation Army.
And the camera got so hot because we
true.
left it.
Yeah, that was
I don't know if you saw that footage of the gas station doors.
before. But yeah, we're lucky that nobody saw it. Someone would break the window and to save and rescue the camera. Just like a dog or something, you leave it in the car.
I know, and now it's naked. It doesn't have its skin.
Alright, this is going to be a quick wrap-up video.
I'm out of the car.
Yeah, oh yeah, you are out of the car. Why are you out of the car, Froggy?
Because my aunt's cousin wanted to play with me.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, we're at my brother's house right now, so you're not going to see much footage today. Well, the second half of today, and whoops, you're not on the screen. And probably tomorrow because I'm going to be at my dad's, and it's kind of weird videotaping our conversations, so we're not going to do that. But tomorrow we're going to Havasu. You'll see us do that. Whoa, it's...
You're holding it at a weird angle.
Alright, sorry about that. But anyway, tomorrow we're heading to Havasu. But until then, Aaron and Froggy. Actually, you know what, Aaron? Let's let Froggy press the button this time. Froggy, press the button.
For 61 miles.
Oh, smaller than I remember. I thought it was longer. Okay, you can turn it back down.
Man, there's some over there too.
You can't even tell that I spilled anything.
Yeah, that's true. Here, let's take a look at Froggy. Come here. Give me him. And it's like Coke was never spilled on him. Unfortunately, on the way from Parker to actually, as we were getting into Havasu, Froggy got into an accident, got some Coke on him. So we had to do an emergency wash session.
At Wiener Schnitzel.
At Wiener Schnitzel's. Yeah, that's, sorry we didn't video inside, but it's weird videotaping inside a fast food place. But we had burgers. Yeah, we had burgers at Wiener.
Aaron finally had a burger.
Yeah.
They don't even have burgers on the menu.
We had hot dogs at Wiener Schnitzel. We have to do that every time at some point. And now we're heading to Rotary Beach, and we're gonna go swimming.
We usually eat Wiener Schnitzel when we're in Lake Havasu.
Yeah.
It's weird. I don't
Usually
know
it's my
why, but
dad,
we do.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just what we do.
Okay.
Okay, off we go.
Here we go.
Clean off the card. Oh yeah, we'll clean off the card. Hey, believe it or not, we went swimming today, and you didn't get to see any of it.
River.
Yeah, the Colorado River, Lake Havasu, but they call it Lake
Wiener
Havasu.
Schnitzel.
Well,
Saw driving.
Yeah, we did driving, and we're at my my dad's right now, and we're gonna be staying the night. So we've been with family for the last 2 days, so that's why there's been barely any videos. And we made a certain one of our favorite viewers got worried about us, and we're sorry about that. We'll try to post more often, but today was just more quiet. But today is the last day of quiet. Tomorrow we're waking up at 6:30 in the morning to start our, it's not our second half, maybe our second third.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in thirds.
Well,
we're in our second, or quarters. We're in our second quarter.
Not even.
Yeah, but anyway.
Still 3 weeks left. We're in our first. We're done with our first quarter. Now we're going to be in our second quarter.
And our second quarter is going to be as busy as our first. And do I have anything else to add? Did you like swimming today?
No, yeah, I like swimming.
No.
No, I was going to say no, I didn't have anything else to add. But
Okay. Well, with all that exciting info.
And Aaron's working on a new sandbox game.
Yeah, he has working on a lot of stuff, but I'm very tired. It'll be great to sleep soonish, but I'll go to bed, wake up, and we'll be on our drive to Vegas. But until then, Aaron, press the button.